For me, Tendoryu Aikido is very unique because we train to improve ourselves, to get better persons. So we come to Keiko and train not to win or score points or get medals, but we try to work on ourselves to get better human beings. And therefore we cultivate Budo techniques and use it to improve ourselves. Helps me to develop as a person. It helps me physically to improve, to be better in shape, to be more healthy. It helps my brain, and of course it helps a lot to get more awareness and to see better interaction with other human beings.
Yeah.